Which team are you supporting today?
I was supporting Rajasthan Royals.
So, are you happy with the way Vaibhav Suryavanshi have performed?
Yeah, but I like Jaiswal more.
You like Jaiswal
more.
But you feel कि जिस तरीके से वैभव ने आज बैटिंग करी, that give an edge to Jaiswal to score big.
Yeah, पर स्टार्ट जैसे आपने को जायसवाल ने एक अच्छी स्टार्ट दे दी थी, उसके बाद तो वैभव पे इतना प्रेशर नहीं था और टारगेट भी इतना बड़ा नहीं था दिल्ली जैसे ग्राउंड में, तो उसके लिए जायसवाल के लिए भी इजी हो गया. आई थिंक उसे फिनिश करना चाहिए था मे बी.
So for a tournament like this, जो बहुत ही खराब रहा लास्ट टाइम क्वालिफाई नहीं किया था, but for a tournament like this, do you see it as a happy ending?
हैप्पी एंडिंग कह सकते हैं, पर बेटर भी हो सकता था. क्लोज मैचेस भी आ रहे हैं 2-4, तो ये कह सकते हैं.
ठीक है, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So which team are you supporting today?
CSK, Dhoni of course.
Dhoni, of course. Dhoni had won 6, but Vaibhav steal the show today.
Yeah, because obviously Vaibhav is really, he's really doing great. Yeah.
So for a tournament like this, CSK has not been able to perform. This was their second last game. What are the expectations for the last game? Do you feel that they should invest more on players like Ayush Matre now?
I think they should, because I think CSK really needs to up their game now. I mean, this was a little disheartening to see CSK finish where they are finishing this season. But of course, I mean, next season, yeah.
So was it the last home game for MSD? Do you expect that he's going to come back, or
I think he'll come back next season. He should. I mean, to make it up for this season. I think he will.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Which team are you supporting today?
CSK.
Second last game of the season, still lost it. The game close. Last में आके wickets भी ली. What were the points that you feel कि यार इस बार नहीं चल?
Middle order. Middle order batsman.
Middle order batsman.
Yes.
Also,
And bowling.
Also, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, he steal the show yet again.
Yeah.
So, what do you feel that it was not a one-time wonder when we saw him scoring a century? He has consistently scored run for them. You think that he's the future of Indian cricket?
Maybe.
Yeah, definitely. He's a great boy with great talent, and I hope he will show us more talent in the coming games. And of course, he will play for nationals. Yeah, of course. अगले IPL में देखना कितना स्कोर करेगा वो. बात तो है कि KKR खरीदने को ट्राई कर रही है सूर्यवंशी को. So let's see what happens future में.
There is another young talent that CSK also have, Ayush Matre.
He's amazing.
Do you feel that Chennai is going to retain them and build him as their future?
Yeah, they should.
Yeah, definitely.
And
They will.
what about the bowling? Again, another day they flattered. And was it the last of MS that we have seen?
No.
No. MS
It's
will
second
come
last.
once again.
It's second last.
MS will come once again.
It's going to be these last.
Definitely not.
Your name?
Agam.
Anab,
Agam. His name is Agam.
Agam, you were supporting Chennai Super Kings today. Dhoni also hit a 6. So how happy you are after the match?
Good. Suryavanshi was good also.
You like Suryavanshi? So Suryavanshi is just 14 years old, a few years older than you. So how do you think is he like an inspiration for you?
Yes.
Yes. You want to see him score bigger the next season as well?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, Agam.
Ekam. His name is Ekam.
Ekam, how excited were you to see a player like Vaibhav Suryavanshi today?
It was good. I was excited a lot.
You just said that you're a Virat fan. You think that he's going to take that Virat's baton next time?
Yes, that can be true next year.
And Dhoni also hit a few sixes today. Can we say that it was last of him? Towards the end, मतलब अगले साल will he play or not?
I have no idea about that. It's his.
You want him to see?
I do want him to see, but I would like Virat better.
You like to be Virat?
गेम को कर रहा हूँ.
You are supporting Chennai Super Kings.
I'm not into Dhoni. Really not. So Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the 17-year-old, yet again showed his worth. The 14-year-old yet again showed his worth.
Yeah, he is just crazy.
I think Suryavanshi is the reason my mom is scolding me every night. She's just telling me you're not worth anything as compared to Suryavanshi. And given the fact I'm working in corporate and I'm being compared to a 14-year-old and I'm a 24-year-old, that's the biggest problem I can face right now. So hands off to the guy. The guy is amazing, but I think, good game, but I wanted Chennai to win tonight because I'm a Dhoni fan.
Me too.
Is he like an inspiration for all the youngsters around the globe and maybe in different fields, not only sports?
Yeah, obviously he's an inspiration for all of us because given the fact that he's been doing exceptionally well in the field he's been working in, and like when we as a 24-year-old look at a 14-year-old doing so amazing, reaching so many heights, we absolutely feel inspirational. So yeah, good job done with the guy.
Also, there's another youngster, 17-year-old Ayush Matre, who has done absolutely fantastic in today's
Yeah.
Was it the match of teenagers? It looked like
No, not exactly manage as teenagers because there are 22 players in the team. But yeah, like when a younger person comes in and puts lots of much efforts and like they are putting in so much effort and the game is going so well, obviously it looks like it's a match of teenagers, but not truly, of course. There are 22 players in the team.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Thank you so much.